Hello everybody, this is Shiva here. Welcome back to my other unboxing and review of the Sennheiser HD 599. These are a great pair of audiophile headphone. These are a wired headphone, it's not a wireless headphone. So let's quickly start off with the unboxing of the headphone. So inside the box, you'll find a 3.5 mm headphone jack, obviously because it's a wired headphone. And you'll find a thick cable over here. These are to be connected in your amplifier device. This headphone supports both for amplifier and your normal mobile phones. In your amplifier also, it sounds really great. And these are the headphones themselves, the Sennheiser HD 599. Now let's talk about the price of this headphone. This headphone retails for rupees 15,000. Now we'll start off with the build quality of the headphone. This headphone is made out of plastic, but the plastic feels really solid. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like a pair of premium headphones. It feels really solid. These are the top headband. It's made out of leather. This is made out of synthetic leather. It feels really soft. And the head ear cushions are made out of cloth. It feels really soft and comfortable. Now let's talk about the comfort of this headphone. These headphones are extremely comfortable to wear. You can wear this headphone for straight 6 hours. It's that comfortable. People who have bigger heads also, they feel this headphone's really comfortable. It has a really big ear cushions and it's very spacious. So however, if your head is small or big, people will feel this really comfortable. Now let's talk about the very important part, which is the sound quality. Obviously this is an audiophile grade headphone, so the sound will be amazing. People will love this headphones, whatever genres they listen to. Whether you listen to rock, hip hop, EDM or melody, you will love the sound quality of these headphones. It delivers a pure audiophile sound and the detail will be crystal clear. The instruments, the drums, the guitars and all will be so damn good in these headphones, and it has a super wide sound stage, so people will love these headphones in terms of sound quality. If you connect this headphone in an amp, you will enjoy the sound more because this supports more for an amplifier device. It does give a good sound in your mobile too, but in your amp you will feel the sound more engaging. The next series of this is the Sennheiser HD 600, but that headphone is strictly only for amplifier devices. That cannot be connected in your normal mobile phones because that has an ohm of around 300, that has a 300 ohms, which cannot be connected in your mobile at all. Either you will find the quality to be very worse or the sound to be very low. That is one step ahead of this model that can only be connected in an amplifier device. This is the high-end model of 5 series. This is a Sennheiser HD 599. Till this series you can use in your mobile. The next series, if you purchase, you should strictly invest for an amp, which is a Sennheiser HD 600. That is only for an amplifier device because that's a 300 ohms headphone. This is a 50 ohms headphone. It can be supported both in your amps and in your mobile. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. This was my unboxing and review of the Sennheiser HD 599. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.